match in 3, 2, 1. Immediately, Gummy Sharks grabbing some cubes. The Waffles getting 2 in their claw. Dropping 1, dropping 2, and into the goal to get that bonus. Gummy Sharks with 4 cubes. The Waffles pushing some around close posts for 5 points each. As we get to 35 seconds, we can now switch drivers. It looks like the Waffles are going for number 2 in that goal. 25 seconds left, we must switch drivers. Gummy Sharks looking to score some cubes. They managed to push them off and get 3 in the goal. Meanwhile, the Waffles push the last of those red cubes off. 5 seconds left, we're going to see if anyone can get a partial part. Both going for it, and it looks like the Waffles have got it. Alright, we are at the Curiosity Field for qualification match number 8. We have 5A